Welcome to today's video, where we will explore a modern two-story house with a cozy atmosphere. Combining minimalist yet luxurious design, this home perfectly blends warm aesthetics with calming colors. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to support us in creating even better content in the future. Enjoy every detail and let it inspire you. Through this door, we are greeted by an elegant living room. This space exudes modern luxury with a minimalist touch. Soft brown sofas paired with white cushions create an elegant comfort. The glossy flooring and hidden lighting add a warm, luxurious feel, while the simple glass table serves as a harmonious centerpiece. Every detail is designed to merge aesthetics and perfect comfort. After passing the warm living room with its simple yet elegant layout, let's move to a reading corner radiating serenity. Here, you'll find a classic designed chair wrapped in soothing blue fabric, paired with a small wooden table, an ideal companion for a table lamp. A warmly lit wooden shelf on the left adds a modern touch, creating a harmonious blend, perfect for those who love reading or simply relaxing in peace. After basking in the warmth and tranquility of the reading nook, let us transition to another equally captivating space, the modern kitchen that seamlessly blends aesthetics and functionality. Here, the classic charm of the reading area transforms into a sleek, futuristic elegance. With a palette of glossy brown and pristine white, this kitchen offers a distinct yet harmonious atmosphere, perfectly complementing the overall design flow. After soaking in the modern elegance of the kitchen, the dining area seamlessly extends the captivating harmony. A marble-patterned dining table with black and gold accents takes center stage, exuding luxury, while neutral-toned synthetic leather chairs offer maximum comfort. In the background, glossy brown cabinetry with clean lines and hidden lighting adds a modern touch and warmth. The blend of white and brown tones creates a sense of spaciousness and cohesion, making this dining space not only visually stunning but also highly functional, a perfect setting for gathering and sharing moments. Step into a realm of luxury, where softly lit stairs adorned with golden accents guide you to a space of impeccable design. The living room welcomes you with sleek gray sofas, polished wooden panels, and subtle lighting that exude warmth and sophistication. A plush carpet underfoot and striking modern art on the walls complete the scene, blending timeless elegance with contemporary charm. Perfect for relaxation or hosting, this space redefines comfort and style in perfect harmony. Next, we arrive at a modern workspace with a minimalist design featuring a sturdy wooden desk paired with white elements that create a spacious and tidy impression. The classic and elegant ambiance is reflected in the gold accents, large mirrors, and abstract paintings that evoke a majestic atmosphere. A fresh and productive vibe radiates through the green plant decorations and geometric gold ornaments, adding a natural and creative touch. Stepping away from the warmth of the modern workspace, we venture further in. After passing through an elegant corridor adorned with warm lighting and abstract art, we arrive at the master bedroom, designed to offer maximum comfort. The combination of dark wood and white elements creates a visually soothing balance. With soft ambient lighting, the space exudes a relaxing atmosphere. A luxurious bed serves as the focal point, complemented by a large glass wardrobe and a strategically placed desk near the window, ensuring the room is not only beautiful but also practical. Then, the second bedroom welcomes you with a modern minimalist design. Its white walls create a spacious impression, while the simple gray bed harmonizes beautifully with the glossy surfaced side table and wardrobe. A wooden study desk in the corner, complemented by a bookshelf above, creates an ideal and comfortable study environment, adding functional value to this space. Each room conveys a unique character while remaining unified in the harmonious design of this home. The bathroom exudes elegance with a white and gray palette, accented by bold black details. A long floating sink with a black wall-mounted faucet offers a sleek, luxurious vibe. The wall-mounted toilet maximizes space, while the glass shower with black framing adds a modern industrial flair. Soft LED lighting around the large mirror completes the warm, sophisticated ambiance. Finally, let's take a look at this backyard garden that offers an elegant and calming atmosphere with natural stone walls, a small waterfall, and warm lighting. The modern seating area with a table and comfortable chairs is the perfect spot to relax or enjoy a dinner with family surrounded by natural beauty. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.